visuals that are coming in from the capital at the moment. Protests that are being held in a large scale by the Congress against power outages that the capital has seen over the last 1 week. The central government, of course, did step in. The power minister has ensured that power supply will be back to normal in the capital in the next 2 weeks. However, residents of Delhi are not willing to take that for an answer. They are still protesting. Do remember, protests have been on in various parts of Delhi since day before. In fact, certain parts of Delhi, including the northeast parts of Delhi, have seen the worst sort of power outages, with power not being there from 6 to 8 hours. Delhi also is reeling under a severe heat wave with temperatures touching about 47 degrees. These visuals coming to you from the capital, where the Congress is spearheading these protests in various parts. These demonstrations, of course, are taking place in Kanpur in South Delhi. Sneha is joining us live from there. Sneha, take us through what's happening.
Well, protests being organized by the Congress in the Kanpur area of South Delhi. This is an area which has many unauthorized colonies and resettlement colonies. So this really is an attempt by the Congress to reach out to the people whom they could not reach out to during the elections. Of course, they picked up the issue of power crisis in the national capital. It is a big problem in the national capital. But as far as resolving the situation, resolving the crisis is concerned, the central government, we do know, has intervened to provide power to badly affected areas in the national capital. As of now, protests here in the Kanpur area, heavy traffic leading to chaos and confusion. We're also expecting DPCC Chief Arvind Singh Lavani to arrive here in a couple of minutes from now.